If you love hot pots, scenic views, and craft beer, then you're gonna wanna pay attention to this video. Hello Team Iceland, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, well then welcome. My name is Jeannie and I am here to help you plan the best trip ever to Iceland. Today I'm very excited and honored to bring you some information about a relatively new spa experience in North Iceland that I really think you're gonna love. So let's get into it. So the place is called Bjorbodin, which translates to beer baths. This is the first beer spa to open in June of 2017. It's located in North Iceland between Akureyri and Dalvík on the Tröllaskagi Peninsula, and it features the delicious beer from the brewery called Kaldi. Let me take you through what the experience was like for us. So you arrive in this very beautiful, serene environment. There's nice music playing, it smells delicious. And then you head into the locker room to get showered and changed. After you've showered, then you get in your cozy bathrobe and you are led to your bath full of beer. The bath itself is filled with hops, salts, and oils. And again, let me tell you, the smell combination here is divine. Not to mention, this combination in particular is very therapeutic for your skin. During the next 25 minutes, as you're soaking in your beautiful tub of beer, you are able to drink from the tap that's sitting right next to your spa, all you can drink for the next 25 minutes. I have to say, this was such a nice experience. We were really relaxed in there, especially after traveling around Iceland outside in the cold and going to all the stops. It was really nice to stop and take a second and just enjoy each other and drink a beer. In beer, what could be wrong? I honestly would have been happy if the experience would have ended at that, but afterwards you head upstairs into the relaxation room. So this is where you lay down in the dark with your cozy bathrobe and relax for 25 more minutes. There's beautiful music playing. It's so amazing. It's kind of like meditation after you drank a bunch of beer. After that, as if it wasn't enough already, you have the opportunity to head outside and use the outdoor hot tubs. Outdoor hot tubs! Now you are literally sitting in a pot of hot water overlooking a beautiful fjord. Oh yeah, and someone is bringing beer to you. Is this like a dream or what? And they have a pretty impressive menu of different variety of beer. So if you like ales or IPAs or whatever you want, they deliver it to your hand and you sit there and enjoy. And it's so incredibly beautiful, you guys. I just realized that I want to go back there and do it right now. So after you've had all of the soaking you can handle, there is a restaurant and bar inside. We did go inside after all of that beer and have a delicious meal, which was a really nice way to end a lovely evening together. Now, if you're thinking about stopping at Bjorbodin, number one, you should, but number two, there are different packages that you can purchase depending on how much time you have or your budget. You could do the whole experience like I just talked about. You could do just the outdoor baths, or you could stop and enjoy their restaurant and bar overlooking the beautiful fjord. So my pro tips for enjoying your experience at Bjorbodin. The spas are open to all ages, but of course, if you want to enjoy the beer, you have to be 20 years of age or older, which is the legal drinking age in Iceland. I suggest bringing a swimsuit. You are welcome to enjoy the indoor beer spa naked. They will tell you that. You don't have to, but you have the opportunity. But in order to use the outdoor hot tubs, you do need a swimsuit. You have the availability to rent or use their towels on the premise, or you can bring your own. They also have some gift options available for purchase, including hand soap, lotions, bath salts, and all of that good smelling stuff. I would recommend allotting 1 to 2 hours for the experience in total. However, it is quite possible that you could spend even longer than that if you're just really taking your time enjoying and having the meal and taking everything really slow, but I would say on average 1 to 2 hours is pretty common. My last tip is to make sure that you book your accommodation in a very close by town. It's likely that the closest town for accommodation would be Dalvik, which is where we stayed right afterwards, but just remember, if you're drinking a bunch of beer, you don't want to be driving, so be safe, friends. Lastly, thank you so much to Bjorbodin for hosting me at your beautiful spa. We honestly had such an amazing experience, and it was actually for our anniversary celebration, so it made everything really, really special. We loved it, so we know that everyone else will love it as well, and I highly recommend a visit. Okay, Team Iceland, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Hope you loved this video, and seriously, if you are considering a trip to Bjorbodin, I put a link in the description below so you can visit their website and book a package. I'll see you next week for another Iceland video, but until then, happy planning.